today's video, we're going to walk, talk, and teach you comprehensible input English method, which has been proven to be 4 times more effective than a classic, boring, no fun way. And I'm going to do this with this good-looking girl right here. That girl right there, look at her, Juliana from Brazil. Valeu, Brazil. Welcome in. Well, nice to meet you. Nice to see you for the first time in my life. Let me get you a microphone and let's get started. We've ordered security to join our conversation for today because we're in Rio.
In the Carnival.
During the Carnival time, so
let's wait here.
This device might definitely get stolen.
Oh, the security is over there.
Where's the security guy? Right here. We got our big guy right there. Good to see you, brother. What's your name?
Yeah.
Paulo. Nice to meet you, Paulo.
Yeah.
He's a big guy, definitely.
Yeah. We are safe now.
Yo, guys, look at all of these people around.
Yeah.
Look at all of those dresses and dressless people, I would say. It's so much fun. To me, it's very similar to a gay parade in San Francisco.
Yeah.
But we have many more girls here.
Actually, maybe I am fake carioca because I don't like this type of celebration on the street. But I have to be here because I'm in Rio now.
You are in the Rio. Oh my, look at the hairstyle. Whoa, look at that crazy hairstyle. I mean, you guys are going to see so many things happening today. I'm glad we got the big boy right behind us. So you're a marketing specialist, right?
Yeah. I'm working with marketing and events in a global company.
Nice. And do you speak English in that company, or is it
No, I don't have this opportunity, but I really would like to have. I would like to speak more English. That's why I'm in speaking club with him, yeah.
Speaking club. Tell these people, what speaking club do you mean?
Yeah, I found Sergii in the YouTube channel because he helps people to speak in English, and he starts a community with people all around the world to have the opportunity to know each other. And for example, last week I was talking with a guy from Senegal, and other week from Ukraine.
Yeah.
And imagine you don't have the opportunity to do this maybe in your country, but in the speaking club you definitely have this opportunity. Practicing is the best way, and
Absolutely.
you have to go to the speaking club to talk with me, with Sergii.
Nice. And
And
where
so
can
it is amazing.
Where is it? Where can people go to?
Fox you. No,
foxu.com. You can find the link right below this video or on this QR code right here.
it's online. You don't have to go to somewhere to do something. You
Exactly.
only have to enter. It's super easy.
All right, this is Blokinho.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we arrived in our first Blokinho.
So what is Blokinho? Can you explain to everyone in the world?
It's when people go to the streets to be happy, as I told you, with customers and follow the band.
Yeah, so pretty much Blokinho, every word that ends with inho in Brazil means small. So it's a small block.
Yeah.
Block, like multiple streets together. If you talk about a small one, it's called Blokinho. For example, Juliana, Juliana. Julianinha, there we go. Sergii, Serginho, small Sergii. Jesus Christ, I cannot keep my eyes straight. There's so many different people wearing or not wearing so many different things in such a different ways. They're like, whoa. I'm shocked. I'm shocked to see all of this.
These guys.
Those
The
guys.
customer.
Holy moly, are we next to the beach? Is there a beach right there?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go to the beach. Desculpa, meu amigo, desculpa. Opa, valeu. Americano.
Nice to meet you.
Valeu.
Bye.
All right, we've just accidentally met neurologist, the guy who takes care of human brains, and he told me everything I need to know about my brain because I had 8 concussions in my life. 8 heavy brain shakes. Couple of times I've lost consciousness, just like on this video right here when I was in Park City, Utah.
I'm here because of this beach. My parents,
Beach.
this bitch. I'm sorry.
This bitch.
Not
This
bitch. Try to explain the difference between the pronunciation.
Here's
and
the difference.
Sorry,
Beach,
guys.
it's like B-E-A-C-H. Beach. It sounds like E. And bitch.
Bitch.
Sounds like there's no E. It's
Yeah.
bitch.
Bitch.
Instead of beach. That's the beach.
Beach.
And I will not point finger at any
That's
bitches.
That's because my parents met each other here in this beach.
At this beach.
Exactly.
At the beach.
At the beach.
Nice.
At the beach.
Oh my goodness. I gotta show you guys that. That's Brazil. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah. I love this fruit.
Jesus Christ. That looks
I
so
grew
good.
up eating this.
Eating coconuts.
Yeah.
For people in Europe, it's a dream to grow up with eating coconuts.
Yeah.
For us, all of this is exotic.
I learned this with my dad.
Nice. This is literally a dream for Europeans because we watch Brazilian and South American movies, Latino movies,
Yeah.
and with all of the drama there, and we just all imagined all of these palms and beaches and Brazilian girls and eating coconuts right here. Dreams come true.
Yeah.
Ole.
It is your first time
Yes,
trying
so I open it like
fruit.
this, and then I take.
You have to take this.
Whoa, and I use this as a
Yeah,
spoon.
like a
Jesus
spoon.
Christ. Well, in this, holy moly, that's interesting. Well, cheers.
Just a sec.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. That's beautiful and
Yeah.
quiet. And honestly speaking, it's so hot that I want to swim.
Yeah.
How
Maybe
clean,
we can pull.
how clean is the ocean here? Looks a little dirty.
Yeah, it's a little bit dirty. Now this beach. Try to.
Bitch. Yeah, this bitch.
Bitch.
This one or
no,
that one?
beach. Oh my god.
Just kidding.
No.
Beach.
This beach.
Yeah, bitch is a puta.
I know the difference between the two words. For the pandemic, it wasn't appropriate to swim, but now this beach is one of the most appropriate in Rio to swim.
The best
But
beach to swim?
today
Yeah.
is definitely not appropriate to swim
Yeah.
because it's too dirty here.
Yeah, it's so dark and there's so
Yeah.
much trash
A lot of trash.
in it. If you could live somewhere abroad, actually you did live in Portugal
Yeah.
already, where would you live and why?
When I was traveling there, I visited 8 countries and almost 20 cities.
Oh wow.
And I was trying to find the places that I can imagine myself living there.
Mm-hmm.
And now I have this vision, and I'm definitely would like to live in Lisbon. Lisbon, it's a very good place to live. It's safe. I think the plus in Europe is that the security. Here in Brazil,
You have to have a
we
guy.
have this guy.
The guy right there.
Exactly. Because we are not safe here. You definitely can't walk on the street calling or holding your cell phone. You have to hide.
Yeah.
For example, every time I have to put my cell phone inside my pants.
Yeah.
And so
Why not in your pocket?
in your pocket? Because people can steal.
Even
It's
from
like
the
a
pocket.
pickpocket. But okay, anyway, Lisbon is a good place to live. Barcelona is a very good place to
Barcelona.
live. It's like Barcelona is Rio in Europe.
Yeah.
Madrid, I love it. The vibe of the city is like São Paulo here in Brazil.
Yeah. That's interesting. So
yeah.
Madrid is São Paulo, Rio is Barcelona.
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting. What do you like the most about Brazil?
I think the people.
People.
Yeah. Because the city, I like the city, but as I told you, I'm a fake carioca. I think
Yeah.
I prefer cold, for example.
You prefer cold?
Yeah, I don't like this temperature now for some.
Yeah. You should go to Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it gets minus 30 during the winter
No,
time.
no. I don't want to get a minus. I was in Berlin and I got -1 and I was like, impossible. When I arrived in Europe, it was like 15 degrees.
15.
15.
Is it perfect?
And I was super cold. I had to use thermal clothes there when the temperature was 50. And this time that I was there, I got -1. And I come back to Lisbon in the end of my trip, it was 15 again, and I was like, okay, it's like a summer for me.
Yeah.
Because I got used with the weather, yeah. What I like the most here is the people. Brazilian is happy people.
Why are Brazilians so happy? I think Brazilians are the happiest nation in the world.
It is almost impossible be unhappier living in Rio because we live in the most beautiful city in the world.
Most beautiful city in the world.
Yeah, it's definitely.
I mean, by looking at those mountains right there,
Yeah.
I can definitely say that. Nice.
Now it's more packets because we found another Blokinho.
Another Blokinho. Oops. Valeu, brasileiras!
Yeah!
Valeu!
Sorry, where can we find the video?
Sergii speaks.
Sorry.
I love the vibe. You know what? I was born in Ukraine and I moved to US when I was 18. But what I found out that Brazilians are the closest nation
Yeah.
by mindset to Ukrainians.
Yeah. You can see something like that living abroad, for example.
No.
People, oh, hi for your video.
Yeah. Oops.
Yeah.
Into it. Olé!
Where you from? Where you from?
United States.
United
USA,
States.
brother.
Which state?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
That's Samara.
let's get it.
That's our friend.
Mara.
Yeah, she's
That's
my
been-
girlfriend, but
Oh, wow. She's cute.
we have an open relationship. So
Oh, so let me give her a kiss.
yeah. On the cheek, because I'm jealous.
Howdy.
Next.
Valeu.
Hi.
I don't think people can learn much English here,
Yeah.
but they can enjoy a lot.
I have a curiosity. Only 1% of the Brazilians speak English.
But 15% of everyone on our YouTube channel, of everyone in the world who watches our YouTube channel are Brazilians.
Oh my God.
That's quite a big party right here. That's insane.
A few moments later.
That was crazy. That was so crazy to get out of that mess. Literally, and thousands of people were passing by us. That's the craziest party that I've been to in my life. Let me say it this way.
For me, it's normal party.
Yeah.
Because
Is it from Rio?
nothing is like real.
Let's record these girls. Hold on, they're like her dance. What was the craziest event you've been to? If this is normal for you.
It's secret. I can share if you. Just kidding, but I don't know. Real is it?
Yeah.
We can explain.
There's nothing else.
Every time you hang out, it is a surprise.
Yeah. Now we're going to interview our security who has quite a lot of experience living in Rio and dealing with different types of troublemakers. And Juliana is going to be our translator because he doesn't speak English. How many years have you been working as a security?
26 years.
26? Oh, wow.
Paulo is a entrepreneur. He has a security team.
Okay, when someone tries to steal my phone, is that a good idea to fight them back? Should I follow them, chase them, try to fight them.
I already did this.
You did it?
Yeah.
Whoa, tell me.
My dad was driving and I was with him. My window was a little bit open.
Uh-huh.
And the guy jumped into the car.
Into the car?
Exactly, into the car and got my cell phone. And I was like, what's happened? Because he didn't touch me. My dad didn't see this situation.
Oh.
And my dad was next
Yeah.
to me. And I told to my dad, oh, the guy stole my cell phone. And my dad stopped the car in the middle of the Avenida Atlântica and chasing the guy, chasing the guy, screaming, ladrão, ladrão. Ladrão is the translator for robber is a robber guy.
Whoa.
Yeah. And the guy saw that my dad was chasing him.
Uh-huh.
And the guy put my cell phone on the floor.
Oh.
And my
Dad got it.
yeah, my dad got it.
Nice.
Yeah,
Good job, Dad.
exactly.
Now ask
Okay.
him if it's okay to chase someone
É.
or better just let it go.
Cara, ou ele só deixar o cara. Yeah, let it go.
Let it go?
Let it go. You don't know
Do they have a gun or
what
knife?
exactly what this guy can do with you, and you are gringo,
Yeah.
and you have to.
Hello, man. Yeah.
What's up,
Yeah.
gringo?
Yeah, where you from, man?
I'm from gringo country. Just kidding.
There's too much,
Too many.
too many, yeah.
Yeah.
Too many gringo
I'm from United
countries.
States.
United States, yeah.
Só uma
Yep.
second.
Are you karaoke?
Yeah. I'm from Rio.
Rio de Janeiro. Nice. What do you do professionally?
I'm a developer.
Sim.
Software developer.
Yeah.
Ooh, you're
I'm a architect.
Architect.
Yeah.
That's cool. How did you learn English? It's so good.
Working.
If you want to talk to people from all over the world, we have a worldwide community from this YouTube channel with people over 80 countries or over 90 countries. And if you want, the link for the website is FoxU, F-O-X, like an animal,
Yeah.
foxu.com.
It's like that. Wow.
Yeah, foxu.com. Join us.
Yeah.
Have a good one, brother.
Sure, man.
Cheers. I'm so amazed with an amount of people with emotions, with those kisses right there. They're happening on the street.
It's not common in the other countries, really.
Yeah,
Latin America, maybe. But
very uncommon, I would say. If this is common in your country,
for us, it's super common.
let me know what your country is and I'll come over and record a video with you. Now, thank you all for joining. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to your channel. I'll see you on the next video. Valeu!
Bye bye.